fully packaged. I'm going to unbox it and see what is in here. Auto heat press. There's a lot of things that came with. There's another package in here again. Here's it. It's ready in there. I'm gonna get it from out of the box and test it and see how it works. To anyone that's gonna be watching this video, this is the auto heat press. I got this from Walmart and I have unboxed it. This is it. I'm gonna be testing it. So let's see what it made of. It came with a couple of stuff, which is nice. Let's see here. Here was some heat transfer gun that you can use to test this machine. Menu. This is the menu. So let's go ahead and plug it and test it and see what it made of. Okay guys, I have just set it up and it's heating up pretty fast. I set the temperature on 300 and the time is 15 minutes. So let's see what it's gonna make up. It's automatic. That's how you do it. You pull the bowl up and put the t-shirts on it. I already have what I'm gonna be printing or what I'm gonna be heat pressing. So this is auto heat press. And if you're watching this video, as I said, I got this machine from Walmart.com. I have read a lot of reviews. I think it's pretty good. So I'm going to put it to the test and see how it works. Okay guys, it's all set. This temperature is on 300 and 15 minutes or 15 seconds. I'm about to print. Alright, we're testing it. It's heat to 300 and then 15 seconds or minute. After that, we're going to see how good it is. This is auto heat press. Go. Voila. Let's beat it. Let's see what it made of. Oh man, this thing is fantastic. You can see what we just did here with the auto heat press. I got it from Walmart. As I said, this is the box. It's pretty fantastic. This is good. Not much to do because everything is auto. And it just print. By the time you reach to the top, you lift up and you pull your t-shirt. So see you on my next video. My name is Tony Rees. Thank you for watching.